Hi guys, Omar here with another one, and this week, continuing on with the theme from last week's video, I'm going to be showing you how to access the safe mode on an S9. Now most devices, whether it be a tablet or phone, will have a safe mode of some sort, so it may not be called safe mode, but it is a mode which allows the user to go into if there are problems with apps or the general performance of the phone, things like that. Before I forget, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and also hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I post. Now you would use this mode if, for example, you've downloaded a third-party application on your device. It could be a tablet or a phone, and when you install it, the performance isn't what you expect, or when you install an application, it uses an unusual amount of battery, so it's causing your battery to drain faster. And obviously it's a judgment call whether this is supposed to happen or not, but for example, if you can't uninstall that particular application for whatever reason, then what can happen is that you may think that you're out of options. What you need to do is put your phone or your device into safe mode, go into the phone or device, and essentially uninstall it on safe mode, which it should allow you to do. And what safe mode does is it puts your device into a state where you have limited functionality, but you are still able to access the core functions of the phone. So when you access safe mode, if the behavior of the application or the browser isn't there anymore, then you can safely assume that it's either the application that you've recently installed or it's browser cookies, something like that. All you do is you empty the browser cache, you go onto the browser settings, clear your browser history, and or you go onto the app, you uninstall, and essentially you know then that the behavior of that particular app won't be there anymore when you restart it. So on the S9, the way you access safe mode is you hold down the power button while the phone is off, this is, until the phone obviously starts. When you see the Samsung logo, you let go of the power button and then you hold down the power down button until the phone starts. And then when it starts up, it will give you a little notification somewhere on the phone to say you're in safe mode. And when you scroll through the apps, some apps won't actually work. They'll be disabled, certain apps, and then whatever applications that you want to uninstall, you simply uninstall them, and then that will mean that they'll be uninstalled when you restart your phone in normal mode. And to restart your phone in normal mode, you don't do anything, you just restart the phone itself, let it start up, go through, and you shouldn't have the particular apps in your app drawer. So let me show you how to do that. Okay guys, so the first thing you need to do on the S9 at least is that you need to turn the phone off. So with the phone off like so, you wait for it to turn off. It'll possibly buzz when it's off like so, and then all you need to do then is hold down the power button, which is here, until you see the Samsung logo. When you see it, let go, and then you hold down the volume down key, which is there, and then what that will mean is that it will know that you want it safe mode, and it'll start up in safe mode, and hopefully you'll see something on the screen which will indicate that it's in safe mode. So we'll do that now. So you hold down the power button like so, and I'm seeing the Samsung logo. I let go and I hold down the volume down key even, and I'll hold it down until the phone actually starts up. So it's thinking about it, and as you can see there, you've got safe mode on the bottom. I've got a password set up whenever I restart my phone, so I'll put that in now. And essentially you'll see what you normally see when you start up the phone. So, but as you can see here, some of the applications have been disabled. And you'll get a notification to say, tap here if you want safe mode off. So if you go into the app drawer, you can see that some of the applications are disabled. It won't let you. Facebook, for example, is on. I don't know why, but pretty much all the core sort of functionality will still be enabled. But obviously, this will enable you to go into, for example, your browser, clear the browser history if that's a problem, or certain applications, if they're causing you problems, you can go in there and then uninstall. So that was just a quick look at how to access safe mode on the S9. Drop a comment down below if you need any help or any questions regarding safe mode. I do try and get back to you as soon as possible. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.